This video will discuss the installation of the Aero Revolution touchscreen lock. The first step in installation is to prepare the door and install the latch. The door prep can be with either the supplied 2 3/8 inch backset template or 2 3/4 inch backset template. Door thickness can be 1 3/8 inch or 1 3/4 inch. Once the door is prepped, insert the latch and secure with the provided wood screws. Next, you will install the outside lock body assembly. The upper control wire assembly will pass through the upper crossbar. The lower motor control wire assembly will pass through the main crossbar. The outside lock body can be handed by simply rotating the latch assembly to the left or to the right, depending on your application. You'll want to make sure that the supplied gasket is installed properly and that the outside edges are not rolled under the lip of the outside lock body assembly. To insert the upper control wire assembly, you'll need to fold back the connector and insert it into the crossbar hole. Then also insert the motor control wire assembly through the main crossbar, making sure that there's no interference with the lock body itself. You may need to adjust the handle up and down to get it to interface with the latch assembly. Then once again verify that the gasket is seated properly. Next, we'll install the inside rose and escutcheon assembly. The inside rose has an oval cutout which the motor control wire will pass through. Simply insert that from the back side of the rose assembly, making sure that there's no interference with any of the lock components. Then secure the interior rose assembly with the 2 supplied machine screws. With any electronic lock, it is critical that you pay close attention to the wire assemblies and verify that there is no mechanical interference and that the wire assemblies are not getting crimped. Next, we'll install the interior escutcheon assembly. The interior escutcheon has a speaker, a status LED, the battery compartment, and the I button, which is used to teach the unit. The back side of the escutcheon has a switch to put the unit into easy mode or advanced mode. The unit ships in easy mode. There's also a connector for your control wire assembly and connectors for the motor control assembly, as well as an external speaker and request to exit control. Verify that the internal gasket is applied correctly. Then plug in your motor control wire to the connector on the far right. And connect the control wire to the control wire header. Again, in dealing with electronic locks, it's critical that we pay close attention to the wire assemblies. Use the cutout pocket in the back side of the escutcheon to fold the control wire assembly into to protect it, and verify that the motor control wire again has no interference with the lock body itself. Align the mounting hole in the bottom of the battery tray with the stud from the external lock body. Then fasten with the supplied machine screw, making sure again that the interior and exterior gaskets are applied smoothly and are not folded underneath the lock assembly. After fastening the internal escutcheon assembly, we will attach the internal lever. To do this, you'll need to depress the retainer using a flathead screwdriver. Simply slide the lever on with the retainer depressed. Next, you'll install the batteries into the battery compartment. Notice the positive and negative symbols on the battery and the battery compartment. The negative side will go toward the spring. The last step in the installation will be to secure the provided battery cover, but first you will want to program your unit using the I button. For programming instructions, please refer to the installation manual or to the programming video in this video series. Secure the battery cover with the provided hex screw, and this completes your installation. Thank you for taking time to view this video. If you need any further assistance, please feel free to contact Arrow Technical Support or to view any of the other videos in this video series.